Today, I'll be telling you why you should always do this one thing to all your kiwi on Cindy Certified Recipes. Hi everybody, welcome to Cindy Certified Recipes. You know, these days we're all on the lookout for nutrient-dense foods, and the little kiwi has it in spades. But when you eat them like this, you're missing out on 3 to 15 times all those nutrients you're looking to get. This is how you gotta eat a kiwi for all that kiwi power. But I know you're thinking, you'd rather bite into one of these. Am I right? Well, stick with me because we're going to the Kiwi Exfoliation Spa, where every kiwi leaves well-groomed and nutrient-packed. Many types of scrubbers will work to exfoliate your kiwi, even a Scotch-Brite pad. But for today's sake of spa theme, I'm going to choose the natural loofah. We have our 3 varieties of kiwi here. The first being the green, which is definitely the furriest. Second is the Sungold, and the third is the Ruby Red. Here we have our green, our Sungold, and our Ruby Red kiwi that have already been through their spa treatment and are there lounging, awaiting their trip to supercharge your body. And here you have the super fuzzy original green kiwi, and I'm going to show you what it looks like to exfoliate that guy and how much stuff comes off. And I like to normally do it when they're dry. And so we're just gonna start scrubbing, and you can actually press pretty hard on these guys. I think I just started, and look at all that comes off. There we go. Look at that's one kiwi, defuzzed, ready to supercharge you. Totally worth the little extra effort it takes to take off that fuzz, so you want to eat that skin and get all that kiwi power. The Sungold and the Ruby Red are pretty naturally fuzz-free. There's a little bit of stuff on there that they are not immune to needing a little light exfoliation to make them ultra smooth and ready to take a big bite. I hope you had fun today at the Cindy Certified Kiwi Spa. It was fun having you here. And I want to tell you that any way you slice it, it's all delicious and nutritious if you keep that skin on. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends that enjoy getting the biggest nutritional bang for their buck. But when you really want to be in the big kiwi leagues, this is what you do. Yummy. If it's time tested, top-notch ingredients, and the talk of the table, it's Cindy Certified.